Good morning, morena. Right, we're going to do this song today. And this song is, hopefully you can see it properly. Hang on, I just got to check if you can see it properly. Oh, yep, hang on. We just got to move that a bit that way. Yep, there you go. Okay. Now, this song is about chickens. What do you think a chicken's called? What's a chicken called in Māori? It starts with a H. Heihei. Remember that? Heihei. Chickens are heihei. So papa, what do you think a papa is? Yes, a daddy, a dad. So call papa heihei. So a daddy chicken. Whakaoho. Can everyone say whakaoho? Whakaoho or wakaoho. I te rā. I te rā. So whakaoho means waking up the day. The daddy chicken, well the daddy heihei is who, what is the daddy heihei called? Yes, he's a rooster. And the rooster, whakaoho, wakes up the day. All right? And then we have, and then the noise he makes is koro, 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 koro. All right? Koro, 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 koro. And then we go mama. What do you think a mama is? If we have a papa, then what's a mama? Yeah, a mummy, a mum. All right, so we have a mama, heihei. And then she's got here, can everyone say whāngai? Whāngai. Whāngai, all right? She's looking after the eggs. Whāngai ngā hiki. So ngā hiki. Whāngai ngā hiki. All right? And then the mother, this is the sound she makes. Kuru, 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 kuru. So the daddy goes, koro, 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 koro. Mummy goes, kuru, 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 kuru. And now we have pepi. What do you think a pepi is? Yes, a baby. And pau pau. Can everyone say pau pau? Pau pau ngā hiki. So it's beating the egg so that it cracks open, trying to crack open the egg. And the baby goes, the sound the baby makes is beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Right? So we go, ko papa hei hei, ko papa hei hei. Then waking up the day, whakaoho i te rā. Ko papa hei hei, ko papa hei hei. Koro, 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 koro. Ko mama hei hei, ko mama hei hei. Whāngai ngā heki. Ko mama hei hei, ko mama hei hei. Koro, 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 koro. Ko pepi hei hei, ko pepi hei hei. Pau, pau ngā heki. Ko pepe hei hei, ko pepi hei hei. Beep, 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 beep. All right, that's actions, right? I'm going to play the guitar now, and you guys have to do your bit, right? Are you ready? Ko papa hei hei, ko papa hei hei. Whakaoho i te rā. Ko papa hei hei, ko papa hei hei. Koro, 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 koro. Ko mama hei hei, ko mama hei hei. Whāngai ngā beautiful. All right. Ka kite anō. Oops, don't want to drop that guitar because it'll make a big sound.